Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. Now today we will start from chapter number 1, class first. Let's start. Compare the height of different objects. Students, in this chapter we will understand comparison. हम दो या तीन objects को क्या करेंगे? Compare करेंगे. Compare the height of the different objects. हम compare करेंगे different objects की height. Compare करेंगे length of different objects. डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन दी साइज ऑफ दी ऑब्जेक्ट्स और हम ये देखेंगे जो साइज है ऑब्जेक्ट्स की वो क्या क्या है. कंपेयर मास, कंपेयर विथ ऑफ द डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स और हम विथ जो भी होगी ब्रेथ और विथ वो कंपेयर करेंगे और हम इस चैप्टर में अंडरस्टैंड विच इज हाई एंड विच इज लो. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ दी चैप्टर. दिस इज टॉल, दिस इज टॉलर एंड दिस इज टॉलेस्ट. स्टूडेंट्स ये क्या है? कंपैरिजन ऑफ हाइट. हम हाइट को कंपेयर करें. दिस इज टॉल एंड दिस इज टॉलर एंड दिस इज दी टॉलेस्ट. अंडरस्टैंड? हमें क्या करना है इसमें? कंपेयर करना है. किसको? हाइट को. दिस इज टॉल, दिस इज टॉलर एंड दिस इज टॉलेस्ट. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. नेक्स्ट, this is long, then this is longer and this is longest. ये छोटा है, फिर इससे बड़ा और इससे भी बड़ा कौन है? पिकॉक. दिस इज बर्ड, दिस इज बर्ड जो है लॉन्ग एंड दिस इज पैरट जो है लॉन्गर एंड दिस इज पिकॉक विच इज लॉन्गेस्ट. कलर द लॉन्गर टेल green and circle the animal that is tied to the longest rope. Students, you have to color the longest tail. सबसे ज्यादा longest tail किसकी है इस पिक्चर में? 1, 2, 3 and circle the animal that is tied to the longest rope. और उस एनिमल को सर्कल करना है जो बहुत लंबी रोप से बंधा हुआ है. You can see in this picture longest tail green. ये किसकी? काऊ की. You have to encircle the cow rope. Okay, move to the next one. Comparison of size. अब हम इसमें क्या अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे? Comparison of size. Big, bigger and biggest. You can see in this picture. सबसे बड़ा कौन है students? Longest, that is elephant. You can see big, bigger, biggest. This is big, this is bigger and this is biggest. You can see in this picture, this is big, bigger and biggest. Move to the next slide. Comparison of mass. अब हम क्या कंपेयर करेंगे? मास. किसका ज्यादा मास है? वेट. ये हैवी है पर ये उससे भी ज्यादा हैवियर है और ये उससे भी ज्यादा हैवीएस्ट है. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. ये स्मॉल वाटरमेलन है बट स्टिल ये हैवी है. ये उससे एज कंपेयर टू दिस वाटरमेलन इज बिगर इन साइज एज कंपेयर टू दिस, सो इट इज हैवियर. And as compared to this watermelon and this watermelon, this is the heaviest one. You can see in this picture. Now, take the heavier box. Students, they both are heavy. This box is also heavy. But this one is the heavier. ये heavy तो दोनों है, but ये heavy और ये थोड़ा उससे ज्यादा heavier है. तो हमें heavier box को टिक करना है. This is the heavier. Understand students? Now move to the next one. Pick the heaviest animal. This is heavy. This is heavier. And this is the heaviest. You have to tick which one? Heaviest animal. This is the heaviest animal as compared to rat and deer. Next, comparison of high and low. Students, we have to compare which one is high and which one is low. Students, ये kite थोड़ी सी ऊपर तो है, but this one is the high and this is the low. You can compare, this is high and this is low kite. I repeat it again. हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? हाइट रीड की डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स की, लेंथ ऑफ द डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, sizes of the objects that is heavier and heaviest, mass compare किया हमने, width of the different objects and high and low, tall, taller, tallest. ये क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? कंपैरिजन ऑफ हाइट. अगर हमें किसी की हाइट को कंपेयर करना है, वी कैन कंपेयर फ्रॉम दिस इज टॉल बट दिस इज टॉलर. ये इससे ज्यादा बड़ी है एज कंपेयर टू दिस, और ये उससे भी ज्यादा बड़ी है दिस गर्ल, दिस इज टॉलेस्ट. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. कंपैरिजन ऑफ लेंथ. लेंथ, हमें किसी की लेंथ मेजर करनी है. दिस इज लॉन्ग बट दिस इज लॉन्गर एज कंपेयर टू बर्ड. ये लॉन्गर है और इससे भी बड़ा लॉन्गेस्ट कौन है? पिकॉक. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? Color the longest tail green and circle the animal that is tied to the longest rope. तो कौन सा एनिमल है जिसकी सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट रोप है? You can see in this picture that is cow. Understand students? Next, comparison of size. We have to compare the size. This is big, this is bigger and this is biggest. This deer is bigger, elephant is bigger as compared to deer. Next, this is heavy but this is heavier and this is heaviest. Okay, ये heavy है but ये heavier box है. Okay, this is 2 box, this is heavy and this is heavier. Next, pick the heaviest animal. This is heavy but this is heavier and this is heavy. Students, question ने हमको किस पे टिक करने को बोला है? Take the heaviest animal. This is the heaviest animal. Elephant is the heaviest. Next, comparison of high and low. This kite is low and this kite is high. Move to the next chapter, numbers 1 to 10. In this chapter, we will understand numbers from 1 to 10. Let's start. Count the numbers up to 10 rationally. Read and write the number names up to 10. हम इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे नंबर्स और नंबर नेम्स भी. Compare to collection having objects up to 10. Let's start. Numbers 1 to 10. Read and learn the numbers from 1 to 10. Students, आपको मेरे साथ ये अंडरस्टैंड करने नंबर्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट. दिस इज 1, O-N-E 1. दिस इज 2, T-W-O 2. दिस इज 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज 4, F-O-U-R. दिस इज 5, F-I-V-E 5. दिस इज 6, X-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. This is 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. This is 9, N-I-N-E 9. And this is 10. Write and learn. 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is 10. Students, this is your homework. You have to write numbers from 1 to 10. You have to do yourself. Now move to the next one. Write 2 to 7. Students, आपको 2 से लेके 7 तक numbers लिखने हैं. 2 के बाद 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7. Let's start. Now write numbers from 4 to 9. 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, then 9. Students, you have to do this work in your maths book as well as in your maths notebook. Okay, and this is your homework. You have to write the numbers from 1 to 10 and you also learn these numbers. Now move to the next slide. Count and write the number of the object in each box. How many peacocks are there? Only one. We will write here 1. O-N-E 1. How many books are there? There are only 2 books. We will write here 2. T-W-O. That is 2. Next, how many elephants are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. We will write here 3. T-H-R-E-E. Next, how many roses are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write here 4. F-O-U-R. Next, how many horses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write here 5. F-I-V-E. Next, how many scooters are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write here 6. X-I-X. Next, students, how many lotus are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write here 7. S-E-V-E-N. Next, how many chairs are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will write here 8. 8 chairs are there. E-I-G-H-T. Next, how many lions are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 lions. We will write here 9. N-I-N-E. Next, how many bikes are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will write here 10. That is T-E-N. Let's revise it again. This is 1. How many peacocks are there? Only 1. We will write here O-N-E 1. Next, how many books are there? 2. That is T-W-O. Next, how many elephants are there? That is 3. T-H-R-E-E. Next, how many roses are there? 4. F-O-U-R. Next, how many horses are there? 5. F-I-V-E. Next, how many scooters are there? 6. S-I-X. Next, how many lotus are there? There are 7 lotus. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next, how many chairs are there? There are 8 chairs. We will write 8. E-I-G-H-T. Next, how many lions are there? That is 9. N-I-N-E. Next, how many bikes are there? There are 10 bikes. That is T-E-N. Move to the next one. Students, you have to do this exercise in your book only. Next, take the correct number in each box. Students, you have to count this object and you have to take the numbers. How many tomatoes are there? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will take only 4. Next, how many brinjals are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 brinjals. We will take on 5. Next, how many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 apples. We will take on 8. Next, how many mangoes are there? आपको mango पसंद है? Let's count. There are 3 mangoes. We will take on the 3. Next, how many roses are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 roses. Next, write 1 to 5 in the boxes. Students, you have to write the numbers from 1 to 5. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay students, next. Now write the numbers from 1 to 9. 1 is already given, then 2, 3, 4 is already given, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, 9 is already given. Understand students? You have to do this work in your math book only. Next. Read and learn the numbers from 10 to 1. Students, this is backward counting. Which counting? You have to learn backward counting also. Okay, let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I repeat it again. Backward counting. This counting is known as backward counting. Which counting students? Backward counting. जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं उल्टी गिनती. That is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Students, you have to write and learn the numbers from 1 to 10. You have to write here. Okay. Next. Write the numbers from 1 to 10 to 1. Next. Write carefully from 5 to 1. Students, this is backward counting. You have to write the numbers from 5 to 1. Let's start. 5 is already given, then 4, then 3, then 2 and then 1. Next, 7 to 3. You have to write backward counting from 7 to 3. Let's start. 7 is already given, then 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Next, 10 to 6. You have to write again backward counting from 10 to 6. Let's start. 10 is already given, then 9, 8, 7, 6. और हमें काउंटिंग्स कहाँ तक लिखनी थी बैकवर्ड? फ्रॉम 10 to 6. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. फ्रॉम 8 to 4. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 8 is already given, then 7, 6, 5, then 4. Okay, next. Again, now write from 10 to 1. अब हमें कहाँ तक लिखनी है? आज हमने कौन कौन से नंबर्स अंडरस्टैंड किए? From 1 to 10. Now we have to write from 10 to 1. That is backward counting. Backward counting. Let's start. 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We have to write backward counting from 10 to 1. Understand students? I repeat it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move to the next one. Draw circles according to the given number. Also color them. One is done for you. Students, there are numbers given. You have to draw the circle. How many? There are 4. We have to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, how many? 7. We have to draw 7 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Next one, 8. We have to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to draw 8 circles. Next one, only 1. We have to draw only 1 circle. Only 1. Next, we have to draw again 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, we have to draw only 2 circles. 1 and 2. Next, we have to draw again 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Understand, students? Now move to the next question and circle the correct number. Students, you have to count the objects and then you have to encircle the correct number. Let's start. How many birds are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write here 6. Next, how many peacocks are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 peacocks. Next, how many ducks are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ducks. Next, how many hens are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will encircle the 7 number. Next, how many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will encircle the 8 number. Next, from the count and write the numerals in each box. Students, you have to count these different objects and you have to write the number. Students, this is your homework. You have to do yourself in your maths book only. Let's recall what today we understand. Numbers from 1 to 10. 1, O-N-E, 1. Then 2, T-W-O. Then 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then 4, F-O-U-R. Then 5, F-I-V-E. Then 6, S-I-X. Then 7, S-E-V.